Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to remove page break in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. To show page break, move to View tab, Page Break Preview. This blue dotted line is automatically set as a page break. However, this solid blue line manually set. If you want to remove manually page break, simply click on the cell below the line, move to Page Layout, Breaks, remove page break. Manually horizontal page break is removed. Now if you want to remove vertical page break, click on the right of the line, the same procedure, breaks, remove page break. Now we can move automatically set page break exactly where we want. Simply click on the line and drag it where you want. To remove page break at once, from Page Layout, Breaks, Reset all page breaks. All manually page break has been removed. To switch view to the normal, go to View tab, Normal. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.